Meaning of heels.
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 Heels. Heels refers to Heel & Son Ltd., a British furniture and decorating company founded in 1810. The company originated as a family business selling feather-filled mattresses from a shop on London's Tottenham Court Road. Over time, Heels expanded into the production of high-quality furniture and home goods. In 1916, the company moved to its current flagship location on Tottenham Court Road, which was designed by renowned architect Sir Ambrose Heel. Today, Heels continues to be a well-respected brand in the design industry with a focus on modern and contemporary design.